Today, I am going to show you how to generate these images for free. Open your browser and search for stylar.ai. You can use this most stylar temples. Or click a new project to make your custom style. Click on Create You. Also can choose style here. You can type prompt here. Click on this button. A few seconds later, you get amazing results. Let's make change in prompt.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you want to save this images on your PC, select multiple images. Click on Place on Canvas. Click on Export. Choose File Type on JPG if you want to. All images download, so check on Export. All layers and click here. If you interested for more AI tutorials, subscribe my YouTube channel, Nisar Tech Navigator.